time for basically anything. One very convenient thing here in Dubai. Yep. So what was our 3-day pass, and now I can go ahead and use these. See me roll. I have arrived at the Burj Al Arab, which is probably one of the most iconic buildings Dubai has ever built, and I think it's home to the most expensive hotel room per night, and it's like the only 6-star, or is it 7-star hotel in the world. Pretty unique. There it is. But I didn't come here for this hotel. These are very rough waves, I see. Anyway, rough or not, I need to take a little dip. I need to put my ass into this wet water. Okay, so apparently I'm not allowed to swim here because the waves are too big. I can only go in the water with a surfboard, which I don't have. On to the next beach. This one is beautiful though. Plus, you get the view of the Al Arab. And found me a new lime, but we're in the slow zone, so this is showing a turtle. But anyway, we're getting there faster than walking. So next beach, there's a bit of waves, but less. At least I can swim here. Not bad, right? Well, that was lovely. Probably the hottest water I've ever been in. It's the hottest seawater. And also, it was salty. It's very salty somehow. But, beautiful here. I'm back on the scooter, and you have these paths for scooters and bikes. I've been on this thing for way too long because it was at slow speed. But I'm almost back at the marina, yeah, and this is how it looked from the front. Like, well, from one side, like there's just one big package of high buildings, and yeah, that looks insane. There should be around 200 in this area alone. 200 tall buildings, high tower buildings. That is a lot. So it is almost time for my marina tour, and I'm quite excited to be on a yacht. I don't think I've ever been on one, and it's probably not going to be a big one, but it should be a luxury experience. Like, I've crossed the water a few times here in the marina, and it looks pretty damn beautiful. So I cannot wait to see it from up on the water. I think my boat is over there somewhere. Should be one of these. Like I said, the amount of tall buildings here in this area is just insane. Yeah, it's boarding time. Boarding carlos. I don't know which boat it is. You can put it as a red cargo. Captain, huh? Yes. So that was a boat ride. That was fucking amazing. That was a whole different view of Dubai. From that side you can actually see how many big ass towers there are here in this city. I'm on my way back to my hostel. I need to get changed and everything. And this is actually the first time I see this thing working. It's showing something. This is the first time I'm seeing this part of town alive, actually. So that is a good thing. That makes me happy, actually.